everybody, how you doing? Welcome back to the channel. There's been some day that I had this scooter sitting right here. From my last video, I said I'm going to be doing something to get our mortgage, fixed, and then get the scooter back running. So what I did was, like I said, I had a cut there. It wasn't that easy to get this out. And in my last video, I said something about the brake fluid, cable kind of like stuck in the mortgage. But it's the easy way to do that. All you gotta do is to take this off the mortgage. One is here, the other one is that you're gonna be losing this side to get this off. And what you're gonna have to do is the brake fluid hose that goes around to the caliper. It's actually the inside here. So you're gonna be opening this a bit, turn this in a bit, and pull it in, and the cable should be able to come freely from here. Then you can get your mortgage in. So as you can see, my mortgage is already a little different, but I'm gonna be spraying this in a matte color, because the one that comes in the scooter, if you can see, is in the matte. So I got some sprays here, from Hartford, which is it's in the black gloves, but I think I'm going for the matte one. So like I said in the video, it's exactly the same thing that they did. What I had to do is now I cut the cables, because there's no other way to lose that. That's very difficult to lose. The hose are kind of just going so crazy, like I'm not getting any tack into a screw. That's what I did was I just cut the cables through. The cables are well thick enough for you to to pull back. All you're gonna be doing is put the two cables back, turn them clockwise, and bend them over, and put insulation tape to hold it, and that should do. So I'm going to be doing that for all the 4 wires. You can see this one is right there, or that one is all cut, and this one is covered. The most important thing is this. I got this to the metal shop, like I said. They had a metal plate pull in. You can see the plate is stuck right here. The metal plate is bent in and bent to that side, and all that is welded in. So what it is right now, this mortgage is actually really stable that you can even stand on it, and it's going no, it's not gonna break anyway, because it's got quite very thick metal. But you're gonna be very careful, you know what I'm saying. The plate you're gonna be putting in, you gotta be careful that the plate is not too thick, because remember, when you pull your mortgage, you're gonna be having a clearance between the tire and the mortgage. You don't want the tire touching the mortgage, otherwise it's gonna be weighing your tire down. So make sure when you're putting the plate in, if you guys are in this situation, you're gonna be putting plate in your mortgage, pick a plate between 3mm to 4mm, maximum 5mm is okay. You don't want to be putting too thick plate in here. You might get a mortgage fixed, but you're going to be having another problem with your tire catching the mortgage. So now what I'm going to do is, I wanted to take risks by using the gloves. You can see it's black, but it's in gloves, but I think I'm just going to be skipping that. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to leave this pen, go down to get a black from Hartford that is in a matte, called the colors on that. Even though part of this scooter look a bit gloss, that I don't know, maybe just to do this one gloss as well, but I prefer the matte. The matte look a little bit good. Cause if I look on this side, the black is in matte, but I'm gonna just see, maybe it doesn't matter. I can even spray this one in gloss, and if it doesn't come that good, then I'm gonna just use the matte on that. So yeah, there's just an update about what's gonna be happening. But you all can see now my mortgage is back and ready to go, but the scooter is still here. So after that, I'm gonna be putting the mortgage back, screw it off, pull the wires back, twist them, make them secure, and put an insulation tape on them, and we're back on the road. So this is a short video, to just update you all about what I'm doing. So now, after spraying this, waiting for a few hours for it to get dry up, I should be back on the road. So I hope all the videos I'm putting on the YouTube help you all to fix some of the problems you all getting right there. If you got any question about any other problem that I haven't made any video from, and you need some kind of maybe help with that, just drop me a comment or just email me, and I might see if I can help you with that. So till then, y'all take care of yourself, and peace.